for this? Yeah. Did you enjoy the short video?
Yeah.
Yes.
It was really fun, right? So what are the 3 types of rocks?
India.
Huh?
Rock.
What Indian? Yes, Johan?
Mental.
So hard to say it though. It's hard to say it.
Is it hard to say?
Yes.
Yes, you have igneous rock, you have sedimentary rock, and you have metamorphic rock. So you have the 3 types of rocks. All right, so this time we're going to discuss about them. Let me just share my screen for you to see. Okay, here.
Rocks.
So what is rock? First, let's learn about what is rock. So rocks, things people use from Earth are called natural resources, right? So the things that we use, like example, building a house, building table, we use the natural resources that we have.
Wait, building a table can have rocks. I thought it's only wood.
Yes, it can be. We can actually use the marble table. It's actually heavy.
Glass table.
Table, rock table. It really exists. So we use natural resources every day from the Earth's resources. Like we have the air, water, plants, animals, and rocks. So rock is a non-living part of the Earth. Most rocks are hard, and rocks can be in different shapes and sizes. They can have a different color or um, designs. If you will actually take a look at the sea, if you'll compare the rocks from the sea and the mountain, they have a different design, texture, and sizes too, right? Have you experienced collecting rocks?
Yes.
Exactly. Okay, so rocks cover Earth and they are found below the city streets. They are found at the bottom of the ocean too. So how do we use rocks as resources? Rocks have been used as tools for thousands of years. Can you still remember the one that we studied in Filipino Odyssey, the types of materials that old people use? They use
I
rocks,
remember.
right?
They also use sticks. I remember. And sharp rock.
Where do they use the rocks? They use it for what?
Two.
Weapon, tools for cooking. Right?
Cooking.
Yes, they
Cooking.
use it for
Look like building.
cooking.
And
Look
also
like
building a house
tools.
like a hammer to build a house.
Okay,
Oh
so
yeah.
they use
The
rocks.
thing.
You know the long stick, and then at the end of the long stick they have this sharp rock. They use it
Rocks, and
for
then
like
it will like get the
hunting
fish.
fish. Exactly.
It like get the fish
Also
like,
eating.
and then the
Also
fish will get
eating.
like.
They're gonna eat boars. They're gonna eat like boars.
Yes, also for eating, like they use it as a knife, right? So
Mhm.
rocks has many uses, okay? And many rocks can be carved, chipped, or ground. So this is one of the famous rocks created. So this statue in Egypt, this one is made of rocks. Can you imagine that? This one, it was really carried by old people before, and they use like a lot of workers, a lot of slaves to make this pyramid and this statue. And imagine big heavy rocks. Can you imagine that? No, I cannot even imagine. Like even when we pick up like small rock, it's already heavy, right? How much more the big ones, right?
Even for me. The small box is not that big for me.
Okay, the big ones. Can you carry the big ones?
Yes. Not
Oh,
like that.
No.
Like that.
No.
Nobody can carry the big rock.
it's so heavy. Okay. Okay, so you have here, this one is the statue in Egypt. So we call it Sphinx. It was carved from rock thousands of years ago. It is made from many huge pieces of limestones. Can you imagine that? Before before I've actually saw a documentary about how the people created this Sphinx.
Why did they want to create this?
It is because of the pharaoh. It is what the highest, or the king as what we call, or the queen
Teacher, what's inside
want.
there, teacher? What's inside there? If it the king is inside there of Egypt.
Inside it are just like a tomb or some old carvings, old
Not that.
paintings on the wall, like that.
Oh, that's so scary.
That's
Oh,
a
that's
It's
right.
really scary. The pharaohs are there. Okay, now let's go over the three types of rocks. So, what are the three types of rocks again? Can you still remember?
Three types of rocks in
Sedimentary, sedimentary,
seven,
sedi,
rock.
Okay,
sedi,
story.
okay, so there are three types of rocks. So you have the igneous rocks, the sedimentary rocks, and you have the metamorphic. Mhm. Okay, so let's study the first rock. Yes.
In just why does it like no it's like erupting this like that rock the rock
Huh?
therefore
What?
from the cooling of magma deep inside the earth they often have large crystals.
Okay, later na ha. Later na. Alright, so first let's have
They
the igneous rock. So here you have an igneous rock. They are formed from the cooling of magma deep in the inside the earth. So they often have large crystals.
read it.
Look at, it's from this, the magma of the earth. So they have
Large.
this large crystals. Mm. Okay, can you imagine that? No, it's
If you
really,
sell that
really,
to her,
really
how
hot.
much does it cost the person? If you
Huh?
sell that, how much does it cost the person if you sell that?
If you sell that, what will happen? What will happen, Zach?
Nothing.
Huh? No one will buy that
No.
one.
Yeah.
Why do you think someone will buy
No.
it?
No.
No.
Because there's large crystals.
Mm.
Maybe they're gonna put it again in the place.
Okay, so this rock is actually um it's actually the lava, no? It's from the earth's most inner. Mm-mm. Okay, so this is
Metamorphic.
from the melted. This rock is formed from melted rocks. Okay, so it's actually
Never
formed
saw
as
that
lava.
rock in real life.
Really?
Yeah, I never saw it.
Yeah, it can. You can actually see it nearby the like, what is that again? Volcano, like that. You can see a lot of it in the ocean,
Okay,
the very deep part of the ocean. There is a volcano. Mm-mm. Okay, so this rock may be formed from the magma that hardens Okay, so when the magma ran down from the water of the ocean, this one will turn into a rock. Okay, this one will turn into a rock. So that's what you that's where you can get the igneous rock. Because this is actually the rock that is formed from lava, from the magma, that, and it can be found near the volcano. Okay,
What's magma?
magma. This one, magma is the hottest part of the
Magma block.
volcano. The hot part, ba?
I
The
thought it was like a circle teacher, like a rock. I thought it was a
magma
rock.
and lava. Huh?
I thought it was a circle.
It was a circle? What do you mean by circle?
It kaya na Southbrook. When you, where do you like get the rock? Where do you rock?
Where do you get
So
the rock of what?
igneous rock. Where do you get it from volcano? So how do you get it? Do you put your hand?
What do you mean you put your hand on the what? Wait. Let's get it slowly. Okay? So you're asking about where did I get the igneous rock?
How do they get the igneous rock? Because do they put their hand? Take a picture of it.
Okay, so by the time that people actually collect the igneous rock, because the rock is already it's not a magma anymore. Okay, it's not a lava anymore. It's already a rock itself. It's like a rock na lang ba? It's like a rock itself na lang. And people pick it up in the deepest part of the ocean, near the volcano, or near the place where it has been cooled down, like that, and forms into an igneous rock.
What?
Teacher, you can get like that where you said the DPS ocean. Is it the rock? You can get it in the DPS ocean. Not
Yes, where there is like a magma produced or the lava produced. Because what happened is that
So,
if what happened is that let me just share to you this one. Okay, let's just say that this is my volcano. This one, my
mhm,
volcano.
that's right. Okay.
are we gonna now do our project draw from do a volcano
Okay,
and like
now
the rock?
example, this is the volcano and this is the ocean. No, ocean. That.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, surrounded by ocean. That. Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
No.
what will happen is when the volcano erupted, like that, boom, there's a fire, like that. It erupted. This is the lava. So the lava will go down to the volcano and it will go to the ocean or the sea. Okay? When the lava is here, when the lava reach the surface right here, or the magma, by the time that it touches the water or the sea, it turns into a rock. And that rock is what we call the igneous rock.
Igneous and metamorphic.
So it's no longer hot.
But
The igneous
now
rock
I
water
get
and
I
lava
get it.
makes you
The
Mm-mm.
lava goes the water
Okay?
into
It's
a
no
igneous rock
longer hot. Okay, so
part.
if you are, it's actually very rare to see or to get. But this one sometimes they actually just get it like in a common place in the Luzon part. This one. Okay. Next, you have the metamorphic rock. So they are formed through the change of igneous and sedimentary rock. This they can both undergo underground. They can both form they can form both underground and at the surface. So based on what you have seen in the short video, can you still remember what you see in the short video? Let's just say this is this is
Yeah.
the this is the igneous rock. This one. And then this is the sedimentary rock. This one. Let's just say because of the pressure, heat, and a long time of pressure and heat, it forms into a metamorphic rock. Okay, it forms into a metamorphic rock. Okay, so this type of rock is made because of the pressure and heat, and with the combination of the igneous rock and the sedimentary rock. Okay, do you understand?
Yep.
Anyone? Any questions about it? No? No more questions?
No questions.
No questions. All right, let's go with the sedimentary rock. Okay, so sedimentary rock, it is formed through the solidification. What do you mean by solidification? If you say solidification, it means being solid. Okay, solidify, solid of sediment. So they be formed from organic remains such as limestone or from the cementing of other rocks. Okay, so you have here this one form, this one. Okay, so aside from that, also sedimentary rocks are formed in layers. Okay, this rock is formed into a layer, and fossils are often found in this rock.
Fossils.
Fossils. Okay, so it is where you can actually see the fossils. What do you mean by fossils? Like the old, like, remains of the bones, like that, or the earth's how do you say it, like the
It's
resources.
like treasure hunting. It's like treasure hunting in that rock.
Can actually see it there, as well as this rock was formed from pressure of the water with the lake or the ocean pushing it down. I actually like sedimentary rocks. This one,
Why?
I just like it because it's like they have this crystallized thing in it, which is I like about it. And I can see it pick it up easily in the beach like that. So next, you have the minerals. What are minerals? So minerals, if you will look at the rock, there is this sparkling spot in the rocks, right?
Wait, there's a sparkling stuff. I don't know where it is. Okay, the rocks are magical now.
Okay, so minerals in rocks are actually a common. Okay, it can make them shine. Minerals are hard, non-living parts of soil. Rocks can be made of one or more minerals. And the chart shows more ways people use minerals every day. Okay, do you know that minerals are actually healthy for us? Okay, so you have here some examples of the following. You have
Turquoise.
graphite. So if you have graphite, so this is commonly used for the pencil. Then you have magnetite, which is used for the magnet. Fluoride for the toothpaste. turquoise for the
Alright,
bracelet stones. Okay, so it's so amazing, right? Yes, when I first learned about this fluorite, I was actually amazed. Oh, this is where the crystallized and turquoise are made.
Fluoride. Fluoride
Fluorite
is
is
a
to
nice
white.
rock.
It's to
Fluoride
whiten
is
your
a nice
skin.
one.
I mean your teeth. To whiten your teeth.
Teacher, where do you find those fluoride?
Huh?
So where do you find those like rocks? Or like this.
Where to find the
What?
fluorite? It's actually very rare. You cannot just find it anywhere. The fluorite.
Oh, that's. But how did they make a lot of toothpaste?
Huh? What?
They
Well,
can't find it. How did they make all of the toothpaste that we saw in the store?
some of it actually, they just like example in the Colgate in Philippines or in the I mean the close up, they just actually order the fluorite in China, South Africa, like that.
What?
Mm-mm,
South Africa even has fluoride. I never saw one there.
mm-mm. In North America, like that. So I don't think we
Canada?
have it here in Philippines. I think we
Philippines.
need to order it somewhere outside because it's not
That's
like.
sure. Teacher, if you get like that, you brush it into your teeth.
No way. Okay, so no, we cannot just do it. You may harm your mouth. It's not right. Okay, so that's why they have to make it into small pieces to mix it up with the paste, with the toothpaste.
How do you make like that,
That's why
teacher?
when you brush your teeth, especially if there are like crystals, that's actually the fluoride. You are feeling the small how do you say it? Small particles like small rocks like a sand feeling like
Oh, that's
that.
why if I look at my that.
Mm.
Why?
Yes. Okay, so let's continue. Rocks and minerals form in the ground over million of years, and people dig in
What?
the ground to find minerals. Like, mm, I actually believe in this because for me, rocks stay longer than any other
Rocks.
living things. Can you imagine? Rocks already exist at the beginning of time.
Oh
Mhm.
wow. Because time, teacher, they are just still living.
Yeah, I'm actually still waiting for them to find the very old rock. I'm still waiting
Um,
for that.
this lesson was very interesting. Teacher,
Mm-mm.
next time, teacher, all of us will be grown.
Yes. Mm-mm. Teacher will be old that time. I hope I can still recognize you.
We're gonna be
Anyway.
so grown up. You do not recognize us. Only our names. If we
Mm-mm.
say our name, you maybe are you like my student a long time ago? Gonna be like that.
Yes, that's gonna be the result. Mm.
Wala